How's it going, everyone? We're in a small stream today in Rumford. We had a big flood there in December. I'm just going to be walking up the river looking for some river glass, see what we can find. I'm just going to be scanning the floor. I might miss some. If you see anything that I don't, leave a comment below, like that piece right there I almost missed. Look at that. The big floods take these out from underneath the rocks and deposit them back on the top of the riverbed. There's a nice big brown one. It's all over the place. I got a nice jar at home full of this really round river glass. It's been in the river so long, it won't even cut you if you run your hand along it. My favorite is blue glass. Let's see if we find any. I don't have any. Oh, I see a white shining at me here. Right there. And another piece there. Two nice milk glass pieces. Water is actually surprisingly not terribly cold. Daisy's up there exploring, trying to sniff it out for me. I'll let you know if I find anything good here. You never know what you're gonna find after a flood. Ooh, check this out. That's an old piece of pottery right there. Wow, that could be early 1800s old. That's cool. That's a keeper for sure. Daisy's looking, but she's not finding anything. Not seeing nothing along this little shore here. I'm gonna keep trying though. Search the water, search everywhere. I like doing it. I like finding that river glass. That old piece of pottery was unexpected. Oh, I see green. Right here. There's a little piece of green. Woohoo! Really nice, shiny. Look at that. That's a beauty. A little bit of a point on it there, but not sharp. That's another keeper. What do we got there? Rock or pottery? Oh, it's a rock. Quartz or something. Alright, back it goes. Daisy's playing in the water now. Still nice and warm out. The water's warmed up quite a bit just since the other day. Nothing else yet, it's that green piece. Keep searching. I thought this was cool. Check out that funny looking rock. That is one strange rock. Oh well. Alright, me and Daisy decided we're going to turn back. The water's getting a little too deep right here. Not so deep that I don't want to walk in it, but I got the wrong shoes on today. We're going to head back downstream towards the old bridge and I'll show you that. Alright, I finally remembered to turn the video. Right next to that white rock there I found earlier, I just spotted something in the water. Just gotta find it again. Looked like a little piece of brown glass. Oh no! Shouldn't take. Oh, there it is. Right there. Can you see it? Right here. Ooh, it's a good one. Ooh, look at that. Nice brown glass, nice and round and smooth. Another keeper. Seems like our best bet was looking up here on the dry area where all the little stuff caught from the big flood. The stream was well over my head right now during the flood. It's quite devastating, honestly. But it does turn up some river treasures. Just gotta get out and look for them. Ha! Sticking right out of the ground. Look at that one. It looks sharp, but it's not. Another nice one. Goes Daisy on the hunt. Still checking. Oh, I see green. 2 for 1 clip. Look at that, sticking straight up. Straight up out of the water right there. Oh, nice. Nice and curved. Nice curve. That's like a neck of a bottle, I would say. A lot of stuff in this creek, or a brook, stream, river, whatever you want to call it. Very nice. So we got a couple pieces right here. Can you spot them? How about now? 2 for 1 right there. 1, 2. Oh, that's a nice neck of a bottle right there. A nice rounded piece of glass. Any more in the area? I don't see any, just those 2 here. Awesome though. Add to the jar. Got something here. I don't know if it's brick or rock or what it is. It could be a really old piece of a brick, but I'm not sure. Well, that one can stay here. Anything else in the little rock garden here? I know the bugs are trying to eat me. I don't see anything. Oh, yes I do. That. Right there. Another nice piece of greenery. Oh, it's nice and thick too. Very nice. Almost back. And the last piece is right there. Nice piece of brown and a piece of green. Look at that. Brown and green. Right next to one another. I didn't even see the green one. Bugs are chewing on me. We gotta get moving. Alright, this is where we gotta cross. Daisy's gonna go first. Here she goes. Go ahead, Daisy. Come on. You're okay. Good job. Easy does it. There she goes. What a good girl. Now it's my turn. I'll let you know if I make it across. Alright, we're both safely across. Here's an old bridge, part of the old Rumford to Rangeley Railroad. Not really anything special, just 2 big concrete abutments. Some of this glass could have come from here, people throwing stuff off the train or something. I think it was more of a freight train than anything. I don't think it was a passenger train. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the bridge real quick. Now let's look at all of our glass. Alright, I gotta make this quick. The bugs are gnarly. So we got this one piece of really old pottery here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of brown glass. 4 pieces of green. 2 nice and clear. 2 pieces of milk glass. Oh, another piece of brown. And 1 little piece of white pottery, porcelain. Thank you all for watching. I'm going to get out of these bugs. Wow.